Unit 1, Exam Review, question number 7. Which of the following could not be made into a conditional statement? Every cloud has a silver lining. Have you taken the test? The early bird always gets the worm. If ye love me, keep my commandments. All snakes are mammals. A conditional statement is a proposition that has the if-then structure. And the if part is the assumption and the then is the conclusion. So we need two parts to my statement, an assumption and a conclusion. If it has the assumption and a conclusion, then you can reorganize it into the if-then structure, even though it doesn't have an if and a then in there. So we're going to start on the first one. A cloud has a silver lining. So I could change this to if it's a cloud, then it has a silver lining. Yeah, that can be reasonably rearranged into an if-then statement. I'm going to skip number 2 because I see that it has you and test. But I'm not seeing an assumption, so we're going to come back to this one. The next one. The early bird always gets the worm. So I could change this to if it is or you are an early bird, then you always get the worm. Yeah, that can be reasonably rearranged into an if-then statement. The next one, if you love me, keep my commandments. This can be changed into if you love me, then keep my commandments. And that was an easy change into an if-then structure. All snakes are mammals. I could reorder this to say if it is a snake, then it is a mammal. And I think it's pretty reasonable. So let's go back to have you taken the test? Again, I still don't see an assumption or a conclusion here, but it's a question and it doesn't have a true or false property to it, which is another part of the conditional statements. It either has a true or false value associated with it. Have you taken the test is a question. If I had an answer to that, then I could have the assumption and conclusion. And so in this case, this is the only one that could not be rearranged into a conditional if-then structure. I can check it here. If you don't have that option, you can close out our grade and then come back in your review and see if you have a green check mark. If you have any questions, feel free to email me, and good luck on your homework.